Alright, this is 6927 Marble Fawn Drive in Riverview. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome currently available for rent. And if you'd like more information, you can give us a call at 813-500-7412. And be sure to visit us online at homesforrenttampa.com. So here you got the all new nice kitchen with new cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertop. This is your first half bath. Then you have the tile here for the dining room area, which leads into the living area. Laminate wood flooring, and it also sits on a pond view here. This little patio. Then you have all 3 bedrooms upstairs. And this home also includes a washer and dryer hookup. So here in your utility room you have the washer and dryer. First bedroom here. And then you have the second bedroom. And this is your first full guest bath. The shower and tub. Leading to the master bedroom, which has a his and her closet space. Then it has the master bath here with the shower and bathtub as well. Again, if you'd like more information, give us a call at 813-500-7412, and be sure to look at us online at homesforrenttampa.com.